Hello everyone, welcome to this session. I'm Rahul Anant. I graduated from FLNS Delhi, and today in this session we're going to talk about how you can start your CAT 2022 preparation. This is going to be important session for all CAT 2020 aspirant. Those are starting their preparation right now. In this session, I'm going to talk about next 3 month strategy. What are the basic things? What are the important things that you need to focus on so that you can lay a strong foundation for your CAT 2022 preparation, and you can score a great percentile in first attempt or whatever attempt you are giving. This must be your last attempt. Okay, so let's first talk about, I hope everyone knows there are three sections in CAT. First is VRC, LRD and Quant. So we're going to talk about in detail. So VRC section, so you must have heard that this section involves a lot of reading there. So you need to have an understanding of like different topics. You must be aware of different topic like history, philosophy, medicines, like different type of topics you must be aware of in order to comprehend the questions that come in the exam. So major chunk is their reading comprehension. So you need to read the passage, then you need to answer like 3-4 questions in each passage there. So to get idea of different topic, what sources you must like go through. So these are the few like sources that I've written there. So first, these two are the most important, and you must have heard like a lot of people will be suggesting the Hindu editorial. So I have written that there, but as per I think this is not as important. These two things that you must go through. First is Aeon site. This is a like I hope you must have heard. So just go to this site. This is like there are a lot of essays on different topics that are there. So start reading. Read at least 1 or 2 articles from there. So what happened there? There are like very big essays. They're like there will be average length, you can say 2500 words to like even 4000 words essays are there. So read these articles and read in one go. Don't read articles in like half, then half after 15 minutes or 1 hour. Read in one go. Then Psychology Today. This website is very short articles like 400 words, 200 words. So these you can read at least 2 articles there. And the Hindu editorial, that will be helpful like for your might be for your exams. There GK comes like your ZAT, your IFT, and this will be also helpful like for your interviews. You'll be knowing a lot of things before getting into the exam. But I don't think it's gonna be as such helpful as per reading comparison or VRC section is concerned. So for that you need to focus on these two sites. Okay, so this way your reading will be you will get a variety of topics there, and so you need to make sure next 3 months you're continuously reading, and you should have a dedicated time for reading. It's not for only these 3 months, but for upcoming 1 year until your CAT happens, you have to continuously read daily 1 hour. Okay, then this was the reading part. Then second part comes critical reasoning questions. Practice at least 3-4 daily CR questions. So for that you can refer to the GMAT resources. You can refer to the like GMAT guidebook. There are critical reasoning questions that you can do, and practice daily VA questions. You can refer to Sujit Kumar book. For that, practice, do daily VA questions from there. VA questions, there are 3 type of VA question that has been asked in the CAT from past times. So like your parasumble, your para summary, and one odd out. So these are the 3 types of VA questions that has been found in the last like I think 5-6 years. These type question has been asked. So you can practice it from Sujit Kumar book, and you can learn the tricks from there how to solve these questions. And for RCs also, this book is a very good. You can read the how to solve the RCs and how to solve this question. You can read this from this book and follow the strategy. So these next 3 months you should focus on these things so that your foundation gets strong, and then you can start your mocks. So focus on this thing, and if you have any doubt apart from this, you can like put in the comment section. I will reply. So this is the section that is considered one of the most difficult section in among these 3. But if you see carefully, this is the what I think one of the easy section there to score. If you want to score 98-99 percentile, it's easier as compared to VRC and Quant is considered. quant is concerned. And you can check also in this section cutoff goes very low. So if you are able to do good number of questions, you can easily like get a decent percentile in this section is considered. But why people panic every year and commit lot of mistake in this section? The reason is that there is so much hype around that this is the most difficult section in the CAT there, and it's also there. It is truth also, because CAT surprises every year with some new type of sets and with some figure like in 2018. In the CAT till now it was considered that coding decoding doesn't come, but in 2018 CAT there was one set from coding decoding. So this was a new thing for lot of aspirants there. So that's why it become a difficult, and also there can be a number of logics that can be made. So there are unlimited possibilities of DI sets and LR sets there. That's why this become difficult. But if you prepare in a structured manner, if you don't do commit unnecessary mistakes, if you don't do random things, then this is the easiest section that you can score a decent percentile. So what you should do that you can score a good percentile in this section without any putting like so many unnecessary efforts there. So what you should do, you need two things to crack this set. If you want to crack this section, you need two things. One is logic and second is understanding of your data sets. So what you should do in upcoming 3 months, 2-3 months, so that you can have a strong basics on these two things. First thing, go through different type of data sets. For this you can follow any standard book. I would recommend time material. You can follow the time book, do the standard questions there, follow, and do this book at least twice and get like crystal clarity there regarding these all type of graphs there. Then do daily Sudoku, solve daily Sudoku, and you don't do the Sudoku from app से नहीं करना. You have to do this on pen and paper. For that you can refer any newspaper. I think this get published every day, so do from there. Also do from a different like difficulty level है ना. So newspaper में different difficulty level का daily basis पर आता है. Don't do it from app से नहीं करना. You have to do it on pen and paper, because in the CAT also similar type of questions come, similar type of grouping and arrangements of lot of questions there. So that will be helpful. So once you have done the basics and you have covered all different type of data, all type of reasoning concept I am talking about, like seating arrangement, Venn diagram, binary logic, roots network, cubes, games tournament. Once you have done the basics of these, go through the previous year CAT questions, understand those questions, solve those questions, and after that start giving regular sectional test. And in between, when you are doing these concepts, you can also do the topic test there. So if you follow these like 2-3 steps, do the basics है ना, and along with solve the Sudoku and give the topic test along with, and once you are done with this thing, do the previous year CAT question, and then do the like start giving the regular or sectional test and mocks. You don't need to do like 1000 sets previous year mock questions and lot of things. You don't need to do things that are not required until unless like you want to become like master in this topic. Like master means you want to be a teacher. You don't need to solve n number of sets. You just need that much that you can score a decent percentile. If you want to score 100 percentile in the section, then also if you do like if you purchase 3 mocks and do those mocks, do religiously, then that's done. You can easily get a very high percentile in this section. You don't need to do the previous year mocks. Don't do that thing. Follow, first do the basics, then do the CAT questions, then do current year mock. You don't need to do the previous year mocks until unless you have like you are giving CAT twice, thrice, then you have basic understanding, then you can do these things. And that is the reason that if you are giving CAT twice, thrice, that has been the reason. Okay. So I hope you will follow these things for next 3 months. Make your basic strong and will not commit any such silly mistakes doing random sets. So this is the thing. And again, if you have any queries in this section, you can write in the comment. I will reply. Then this comes last section, that is a quant. So this is the section that you guys put lot of energy, if you're engineer, then you like it, then you do too much. If you're a non-engineer, then you find it difficult, then you also do too much. So this is the section where we put a lot of major part of energy here. And also this is a section where shortcuts, tricks, these are, I don't think will work in the CAT. As per you can definitely solve 3-4 questions maybe with the help of that, but if you have seen this year CAT 2021 questions, you must be aware that basic understanding is required and you need to solve question manually. Tricks doesn't work in the exam as per CAT is concerned. So first complete your basics, do any standard material. You can refer to time book, do the time book, or you can follow any books there, Sarvesh Kumar Verma, Arun Kumar. But my suggestion will be follow that book from where you can finish your syllabus as fast, and do that book multiple times. Don't do 2-3 books. I have seen people do time book also, people do Arun Sharma, people do Sarvesh Kumar. I don't know, they are giving from 2-3 years CAT. That's why this is the reason they are giving CAT 2-3 times. What you must do the standard book and do that book multiple times. Try to do at least one book twice. Okay, so this is the important thing. And the most important thing is there that in this section there are lot of concepts, lot of topic, lot of concepts, lot of formulas are there. So you need to learn lot of things, and it's very difficult to remember all the things. If you see VRC and LRD section, there is not too much, there is no such thing to memorize. But for quant, there are a lot of the formulas that you need to remember. So that's why it's very, very important to practice and revise on regular interval. Suppose you start today numbers, so till your CAT happens, you need to make sure you are revising and are practicing it on regular basis. Okay, and once you have done your syllabus, then try to figure out your weakness and work on that. Try to figure out your weakness. When I was preparing, I figured out that TSD is not good for me. I'm not able to solve the questions. So I work on that. I go through the topic, I understand all the concepts twice and thrice. Then I do lot of questions from different sources, and then I get confidence there. So if in any topic you are finding difficulty, learn, revise that regularly, do the questions, you will get the confidence. But one thing you need to understand, your topic should be weak. It should not subtopic. You cannot say after 3 months that I am weak in arithmetic. You have to figure out where your weakness is. You have to figure out you have weakness in profit and loss. I will tell my example, I found difficult TSD. So you have to figure out which subtopic is difficult. You cannot say after 3 months after preparing everything, you can say I am weak in geometry. You have to figure out in which subtopic you are weak, and you have to work on that. And it cannot happen that you are weak in a geometry, complete geometry. There will be something that you find it is easy, something there will be you find difficult. So after figuring out what is difficult, you need to work on that, and you need to lot of questions so that you get confidence in that. So next 3 months, your strategy should be focused on topic wise, covering as much part of concepts, as much part of syllabus you can cover, and regularly do the topic test and revision. There is it's not like that you learn numbers, then you learn arithmetic. You learn number, you keep revising numbers along with you learn arithmetic. So this is the strategy you have to follow. Then you learn algebra along with the revision of numbers and arithmetic, because you don't need to you don't want to forget anything till your CAT happens. Okay, so this will be next 3 months strategy for quant. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And also guys, we'll be starting practice questions on your Facebook group. So link is given in the description. Join that group. We'll be posting question on regular basis. I and Pulkit will be replying you as soon as possible. And there will be a lot of students also that will be solving. So that will be helpful. You guys can discuss, and you can post your any doubts there that will be also looking at, and will provide you as soon as possible for solution for that. And if it required, we'll also provide the video solutions. And I will be also coming with some concepts also in this particular in some upcoming series. And so this gonna be I will be starting with the numbers. So I will be posting all the questions regarding numbers in the group. so you can solve. So all these question, like we have been gone through last 4 5 year data. We have seen different type of question that CAT asked, and from that, like all the mock, all the things, and we have figure out some different questions there, some good number of questions that will be posting. And we believe that if you do those questions, you can easily crack CAT. If you do seriously those questions that will be posting on Facebook group, it's very easy to crack CAT. So make sure you solve those questions on regular basis, and if you get any doubts, you can just write in the comment. Will be reply, and will be also providing solutions for those questions if you find it difficult. So these practice we're gonna start soon, from this month itself. Like we are starting in like tomorrow onwards, I will be mostly posting the questions. So like this will involve like quant questions, LRDE set. We'll be doing 3 4 LRDE sets at least in a week with video solution, है ना. 3 4 LRDE sets with video solution, and whatever you want, you can discuss. You can put any particular solution if you want. And we'll be also doing practicing VRC questions there. I will be posting regular basis. And these 3 things we have like decided to do on the Facebook group. So make sure you join the Facebook group and subscribe to this channel for like upcoming videos. We'll be posting a best possible material that is there for CAT. So all the best for CAT 2022. Let's see you in some next video.